Every rainy season, riverbank erosion becomes a major concern for many families in the Mekong Delta. However, not every erosion site can be protected by engineering projects. For many people, the most important thing now is no longer saving the land that has been worn away by nature, but finding a safe place to rebuild their lives.
Over the past 5 years, sea waves have washed all the farmland owned by the family of Trần Thị Khương in Tân An Commune, Cà Mau Province. After moving several times, what her family hopes for most now is a safe place to live without fearing every storm season.
The sea has washed everything away. We have already moved our house twice, but it is still not safe because the erosion is getting closer. Now we only hope to have a place in a resettlement area.
From the coast of Cà Mau to the rivers in Cần Thơ City, this is no longer the story of just one family. As cracks move closer to their homes, many people are forced to choose between staying or leaving to start over.
Every night my children use flashlights to check for new cracks because we are afraid the ground may collapse. You can see the cracks are getting closer. We hope the government will support us so we can have a safe place to live.
Climate change and changing river flows are making erosion more unpredictable. According to experts, in high-risk areas, the priority is not only protecting the riverbanks, but also protecting people by relocating them and providing resettlement.
In areas with a high risk of erosion, the priority should be early warning, relocation and resettlement. If we only depend on erosion control projects, it will be difficult to keep up with nature. Even large and expensive projects can still be damaged or collapse.
Local authorities are also putting this approach into action by giving priority to investment in resettlement areas, helping people move away from places that are no longer safe.
We are also implementing Resolution 116 recently issued by the government to carry out conclusion number 26 of the Politburo. One of the key tasks is providing resettlement for people living in areas at high risk of flooding and erosion, helping them build stable lives in the future.
As erosion continues to become more unpredictable, resettlement is becoming a solution that more and more localities are choosing to reduce risk and protect people's safety. However, moving people away from dangerous areas is only the first step toward helping them build stable lives.